Hi, my name is Esra Boro. I am Product Line Marketing Manager at Evidenson. To protect precious and vulnerable paintwork against both the elements and road debris, we have developed a leading range of paint protection films for vehicles, for when you want the strongest and most durable results. A way to be sure that your car always looks factory fresh. We have two series of performance materials for advanced protection. Let's start with the Pure Defense series. This series has two levels of performance to defend high-impact areas on your vehicle. Pure Defense PVC for standard protection, suitable for flat and simple curved surfaces, and Pure Defense PU for more durability and outstanding choice for curved surfaces such as bumpers and mirrors. It can self-heal with a heat trigger. At the top of our protection range are Supreme Protection Films, the leading technology in self-healing protection. With both gloss and matte transparent finishes and a gloss black option, these films are designed for full protection. They conform superbly around curved shapes and corrugations. They are easy to apply and remove and offer up to 10 years UV resistance. Their self-healing functionality works both at ambient temperatures and with heat activation, making scratches disappear immediately. On our product pages, you will find extensive information and how to apply videos for optimal results. If you want to secure the value of your vehicle, Evidenson paint protection films are your go-to products.